Let's continue knitting row 13, 17 or 21 depending on which row you're on of pattern 2. This is what we have so far. First we start with our garter edge and our stockinette stitches, and then we will get into the pattern. So first we have a set of 3 coming up with purling 2 and then knitting 4. So go ahead and purl 1 and then purl 2. And then yarn over in order to knit the next 4. So knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and then knit 4. And then yarn over again in order to repeat this one more time. So purl 2 stitches, purl 1, purl 2. And then yarn over again to knit the next 4. So knit the first stitch, and then the second stitch, knit number 3, and then knit number 4. And now we just repeat this one more time. So yarn over again, and now we purl the next 2. So purl 1 and then purl 2, and then yarn over to complete the next 4 knit stitches. So knit 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then once you completed the 4 knit stitches, you will continue with the next sequence, which is purling 2, knitting 8 and purling 2. So first purl 1 and then purl 2. Then yarn over and knit the next 8 stitches. So go ahead and knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, knit 6, knit 7, and knit 8. So then yarn over and finish with purling 2. So purl 1 and then purl 2. So this was our center part, and now we can continue with knitting 4 and then purling 2 3 times. So knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and knit 4, and then yarn over and purl the next 2. So purl 1 and then purl 2. Now you will yarn over again and knit the next 4. So knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and knit 4. Now yarn over once again and purl 1 and then purl 2. And repeat this again. So yarn over and knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and knit 4. Now we just need to yarn over one more time to purl the next 2. So purl 1 and then purl 2. Amazing. So now we have completed the pattern 2 part for these rows. You just need to complete your stockinette stitches and the garter edge stitch, and then this is how it will look like after knitting row 13. To continue knitting row 14, 18 or 22, just revisit my previous video being part 10 of my playlist. For row 15 and 19, watch part 12 and 13 of my playlist. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I would be very happy, and feel free to leave a comment of what you think, or if you have any questions, I would be happy to help you. Thank you so much, and see you next time.